Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Breedlove and welcome to my final project in data visualization using D3. As you can see here, we have a couple of charts that we are able to filter and drill down on. You select which one you're working with up here in the top, and if you choose a country, let's say we're going to look at the United States. You have 4 different data sets that you can look at. So you can start by looking at tons of CO2 emissions per capita. You could see terawatt hours of coal energy consumption. You can see primary energy consumption in terawatt hours. And you can also see out of their energy usage, what is the percentage that's renewable. And for all of this data, we're looking at the slice of time between 1990 and 2004. We also have the option of changing the visual style of the chart from a bar chart to a line chart, whatever the user is more preferring. We also have the ability to select, let's say we want to look at 2010, we can hover over that dot, click on it, and confirm that we're looking at the exact year that we're looking for, as well as the percentage or measure value specifically. And this is useful because let's say we want to do a side-by-side comparison of the same or different country. We can easily now go to United States again, and let's say we're going to look at coal consumption compared to their CO2 emissions. And we can see if we are seeing any trends and relations that we would be expecting. And in my opinion, the most useful thing that we can do here is we can actually compare different countries. So let's say that we're going to look at coal consumption for the United States on the left side, and on the right side we'll do the same for China. We can see an inverse relationship between the two, basically their usage over time. Looking at the year roughly 2000, we can see that China's terawatt hours of coal energy consumption greatly increased over time in that 14-year window, while the United States very much had the opposite pattern. If we want to have an idea of the actual specific change, we can also use the change calculator here at the bottom. This is going to be applied to the data in the chart that we're looking at. So if we want to do United States, let's say we want to get some specifics on our assumption that the declined by 65% over that time period. And if we just click on the right here for China, we see that it grew 211%. All right. Thank you very much for coming to my presentation.